Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part two to a safe way to relax distressed hair. I do have a part one to this video. You guys, if you haven't checked out part one, please take out the time to do so. Go ahead and pause this video. That video will be down in the description. Check out that video first because it gives you information on how to deal with distressed hair and how to properly apply a relaxer. So I highly suggest to check out part one. But in this video, I will show you guys the finished result to the full service. So let's get into it. So what I'm currently doing is I'm applying my leave-in conditioner. I use the 25 Miracle by Mazzani. Hands down, the best leave-in conditioner I ever used on our hair or black hair. This conditioner can be used on relaxed and also natural hair. So if you are natural, then please understand you can use this conditioner as well, and the benefits is off the chain. Now, any products that I use to achieve this service, all that information will be left in the description down below for you guys so you can purchase the products when you need to. So what I'm currently doing right now is just combing the hair out to see how I want to mold her to place her right under the dryer. I usually place my clients under the dryer for about 20 minutes to just basically set the mold and also to take out some of the water, and I completely blow dry the hair 100% with my hair dryer. So that's what I'm currently doing right now. As you guys can see, I want to just like mold her hair back, but I don't want to put a part in her hair. I just want to just kind of slick down the sides and everything like that, but no part, because sometimes part can be very stressed on the hair, especially if you always part your hair in just one area every single time. Sometimes not having a part and just letting your hair be free and flowy and fall the way it wants to fall is the way to go. So I'm just right now putting on the wraps to put her right under the dryer. So now she came off and under the dryer. I'm currently using the Mazzani Miracle Nourishing Oil. I apply this to the hair once it's 85% dry, and then of course I use the blow dryer to continue to dry the hair out to 100%. This is the reason I use this is because it helps with the flyaways. It also helps with heat protection, and it gives an intense high gloss to the hair. Okay, so what I'm doing is using the blow dryer to finish blowing out her hair to prepare her hair to get ready for the flat irons to silk her hair out, and then it will end in a style. So we're almost at the end, you guys. And also what I want to highlight and let you guys know is with the part one and part two videos, they are edited and also speed up to make sure they accommodate to a shorter and smaller videos for the audience that enjoy taking in content that way. So if you are someone that wants to see the beginning to end and you're fine with longer videos, then of course I will make a longer video for this particular content so you guys can enjoy it that way as well. So I just wanted you guys to know, just in case you were wondering why is it so short and certain things not placed in there. But the most important information is always in the short videos, and just with the longer videos it's just more information to take in. And also I have my flat irons on medium heat. You don't need to have it on high heat because you don't want to burn the hair out. With it already being relaxed, you don't need to intensify the heat too much because the hair is already relaxed. You just want to silk it out. I am using titanium flat irons to silk her hair out, and also I do about 2 passes at the base and then 1 pass through the rest, the mid shaft and the ends of the hair. You want to make sure you divide the hair in sections enough where it can apply in the mid part of the flat iron. You don't want a big part all through the flat iron because it will be, it won't work, sis. It won't work. So as you guys can see, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And I will be trimming, well, not trimming, yeah, it was. I will be trimming her hair to take off the dead ends and also to clean up her layers. And can we take a moment and just take in how much shine her hair has and how healthy it looks? That's why, you guys, when I tell you it's multiple ways that you can do something to execute a awesome service for your client and give them what they're asking for, because she wanted a relaxer, but like I said, this is perfectly fine to do for people where their hair is very distressed or their hair is like overly shedding or anything like that. You don't have to, make sure, regardless, you shouldn't leave a relaxer on for a very long time, but it's just other techniques and other ways you can do something to get the job done. And her hair is, the shine is, it's just crazy. It's really really crazy. Like, look how healthy her hair looks. Like, wow. All right, so what I'm currently doing right now is applying curls all through my client hair. I am using the curliner to be able to execute that. My client, she wanted a lot of body, so that's what I'm going to do. So we're coming to the end of this video. You guys, make sure you check out part one, because part one goes into detail on how I did the relaxer, not only showing you but explaining it to you as well. So go check out part one after this video. But sis, look at that. Look at the shine. Look at the body. Look at the life. Yes, yes, yes. Leave comments down below. Tell me how you like this video. Also, if you don't even have anything to say, go ahead and put a smiley face down there and I will give you a smiley face back. Anything, just comment down below. Hit that like button to let me know you enjoyed this content, and also subscribe for more to come. Remember to drink your water, to make sure you always keep and have healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.